Hello there, my friends. I'm in WordPress, and we're going to add to this menu bar right here. I'm going to show you how to add a button. So I hit Customize, and go to Menus, and we're going to go to this menu right here, Main Menu, and it's got some links here: Home, About, News, and Contact. And I want to add an item. You can go over here to Shop. I'm going to add Shop. It automatically will have all the properties that these other buttons have, because I was trying to do it from scratch earlier and it was crazy. Now you go over here, and it's got all the same properties. And in fact, if I click it, we'll go to the shop page where I already have 2 of my books. Alright guys, that's as simple as that. Now let's see, what if I wanted to add another item? Like, let's say I wanted to go to checkout. Checkout. And then cart. And I could even add a, there's a way to add a picture of the cart to that as well. What else can I add? Let's see what else I can add. Add contact me, about news. Alright, we're good. That's all I'm gonna do. So shop, checkout, cart. That's too much. Too much. But anyway, you can customize it. You can take, like, get rid of contact, and you can add contact again. Contact me. You can take contact me out. Where was that contact? Just regular contact. That's not on there anymore. Alright, so I'm gonna just get out of here and not publish this, because I want this contact one instead of contact me, and then I want to go home. Let's do that one more time. So we'll go to customize. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, customize. We'll go to menus. Go to this menu. We add items and we add shop. And that's it. And then I'm going to hit publish. And that's going to change that. And that's what we're going to do. Alright. So that's how you add a button to the main menu on your main page. Hope you guys have a great day. Smash like if this helped you, and I'll see you on the next one.